Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I sound like freaking Jeffree Star.
Welcome back to my... I love watching all those videos. It's just
welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today, we are going to be making something that's so simple. So what we're going to be doing is making a candy dish. A candy dish for the center of your table. Everybody loves to have their table looking beautiful and great. We're going to make these two Dollar Tree items into a beautiful centerpiece for your dining room table. First things first, what you're going to have to get is I just went to the Dollar Tree. This entire project is $3. So simple, so cheap. Everybody loves cheap. We're in a recession. Come on now. So what you're gonna do is get this. This is a spider web bowl from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, it was only $1, and this is gonna be the bowl of the centerpiece. So next, what you're going to do is get a little brass candlestick. Now this candlestick is from the Dollar Tree. It was only $1, so that's only $2. So this is gonna sit on it like this. And voila, you have a candy dish or a centerpiece. Super simple, super easy. So the third thing that you're gonna need is some spray paint. Now this spray paint I got from Walmart. It is 97 cents, super cheap. And you know, I love cheap. So the basis of this is basically we are going to spray paint our candlestick with the spray paint. And then we're going to glue the candlestick to the bowl. And then it's done. So if you want to stick around and watch and see how we make these two awesome pieces into something even more awesome, stick around and watch. We're coming right at you. Okay. Let's begin. The three main items that you're going to need, like I said before, is the Dollar Tree spider web bowl. Pretty awesome, especially for just $1. You're going to need your Dollar Tree candlestick, another awesome find, and then your 98 cents spray paint that you can get from Walmart. Not to mention, you will need some hot glue or E6000. I'm deciding this time to use E6000 because I want this to last forever, not just for this holiday season. So let's go ahead and head outside. You want to follow me? Let's go ahead and get these two married on together and get some spray paint on, and then we'll meet you back here when they're done. Now that our candlestick has been spray painted and completely dry, we are going to glue it to the bowl. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the E6000, put it all around the rim, and then literally just place the bowl on and allow it to dry, and then we'll be done. So I'm gonna put it on. Apply a lot on it. Doesn't matter if it looks good or not because it's going to be covered by candy. Okay, now we're going to grab the bowl and just place it on. Allow that to dry and you have a bowl.